Global data started growing rapidly a decade ago, and it continues showing no signs of slowing down. Just recently, we read an article saying that AI and big data analytics are expected to transform the insurance industry in the next 10 years. And this article was, of course, published by the Insurance Institute of Canada. This article, guys, is just simply showing you how this big data analytics is continuing to penetrate each and every sector and show us that big data analytics will still be with us for quite some time. As an investor, this should definitely open up your eyes to say that maybe it's time for you to have these big data analytics stocks in your portfolio, as we can all agree from the articles that we read on a day-to-day and the kind of demand we see these big data posing in the world at large, to say that these big data analytics will be in demand for quite some time. Otherwise, with all that, allow me to welcome you to yet another awesome video. Now, on today's video, guys, we'll be talking about a big data analytics stock called Palantir Technologies. So on today's video, guys, we'll be specifically looking at the latest developments that I believe that will definitely drive or take this stock to the moon. Otherwise, please watch this video until the end, because I believe that at the end of this video you will be motivated to pile more or add more positions onto this stock, or even add this stock to your portfolio if you have never owned a share of this stock. So Palantir Technologies has been one of the stocks that has been debated since its listing in September of 2020. So this stock, as it stands, guys, it's currently down by over 45% from its all-time high that we witnessed in January of $45. And the reason why this stock has fell so dramatically is because of the fear of the rapid rise of interest, which we all know by now that it has affected so many tech stocks, in a way that for these tech stocks to really thrive and go up again, they will really need to have quite strong fundamentals to sustain their upward trends. So I definitely believe that, however, these stocks or these tech stocks will recover from this rapid rise of interest. Otherwise, back into Palantir Technologies, during the CNBC interview with Palantir Technologies CEO, the CEO indicated that short-term traders should look away from Palantir Technologies, as this company has the long-term vision for success. This just simply means that if you are a short-term investor, guys, then Palantir Technology might not be the stock that you would want to have in your portfolio. But if you are long-term investors like us, then this kind of stock or this Palantir Technology, it's one of the stocks that you ought to have in your portfolio because it has got good long-term vision. But guys, I must say that this is a good stock that I think one should consider owning, because you'll remember that, guys, this stock or company is set to generate $4 billion of revenue by 2025, which is something that I definitely think that when you invest in this stock, you should definitely have that in mind. And of course, looking at the kind of revenues they reported in 2020, you and I can definitely agree on the fact that this stock will reach that target, or that $4 billion target, by 2025. As you know that for 2020, this stock or this company generated $1.1 billion of revenue for 2020 alone, which is something that, again, guys, should definitely open up your mind to say that, guys, this is a stock that is doing very well. I mean, we cannot forget that, guys, this stock for the Q1 of 2021, it's expected to report a revenue increase of 45%, which again, guys, should definitely encourage you to stay long onto this company, because this just simply means that this is a company that continues to report better revenues than the revenues they reported in the previous quarters, which is something that I think as an investor you should definitely look into, because, guys, increase of revenue on each and every quarter just simply means that this company or a company is doing quite well, which is something that is or that will make me stay in this stock for a long term. And another thing that we should keep at the back of our minds, of course, is the partnership of Palantir with IBM, which is set to bring in new clients into Palantir Technologies, which I definitely think that, guys, with that partnership, Palantir can expect to generate more revenue from that partnership alone, as it is expected that more customers or more clients will come and want to do their business with Palantir Technologies, which is something that I definitely think that these are kind of deals that we would expect, or we must expect going forward as Palantir investors, as this kind of partnership can give us hope and confidence in this company. I definitely think that, guys, Palantir Technology is a very good stock that you need to consider, because, guys, it's trading at a discounted price. I mean, from the $45 that we saw in January to the $24 that is currently trading at, I definitely think that you and me can agree based on that this stock it's trading at a discounted price, which is why myself personally, this previous Monday, I decided to add positions into this stock, because I just definitely believe in where they are going. And I believe, as I've said in the beginning of this video, that big data analytics is one of the sectors, or it's one of the things that will be in demand for quite some time, which is why it's starting to penetrate in various sectors, which should definitely open up your mind to say that maybe it's time for you to have this kind of stocks in your portfolio, as their demand are not showing any signs of slowing down in the future, which is a very good thing, which is what I encourage all investors to consider, because you would not want to invest in stocks that won't be in demand in the future, or you would not want to invest in the stocks that their services won't be in demand. So as I'm telling you that this stock, or the services that this stock provides, will continue to be in demand in the near future, and this should be a definitely good sign for you that maybe it's time for you to go and consider or have a look at this company. Otherwise, guys, please note that I'm not a professional financial advisor. All that I've been saying about these stocks are just my opinions. If you seek professional advice, please do the right thing and go consult the professionals. Otherwise, guys, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos, and if you think that this video was amazing, please don't forget to hit that like button and share with your friends or colleagues. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time I release a video. Otherwise, guys, that's all from me today, and I wish you nothing but the best in your investing journey. Otherwise, that's all from me today, and see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you all.